So today we have tried to make a smaller sausages, okay, the Goan sausages, and it's put in a baking tray with some baking paper, and there's no oil down. We just put it in a preheated oven of 200 degrees. So we will get it up to 200 degrees for 15 minutes, and then we'll off the oven and just keep this inside for all the moisture to run off, and then we will put it in the sun to dry. So around 15-16 minutes, okay, it's a preheated oven, and let's drop these beautiful Goan pork sausages just for it to lose its moisture. Okay, the oven is off. Keep it here with the oven shut for around 15-20 minutes and keep watching. After 15 minutes, let's see how she looks. Looks like the moisture is out. Now time to put it in the sun. Keep it in the sun to dry, but we will watch. I'm just worried about the crows. That's the reason I kept all this mesh on top. That looks pretty protected, hey? With a good, nice, strong, kind of a weight in the center. So I got this out from the sun, and the sun, there is no sun, unfortunately, and it's still a bit damp. I need to give it some heat. Maybe I'll use a hair dryer. So there is no sun, and I could not dry them in the sun, and I've decided to use something technical. Let us now use the beautiful hair dryer. Voila. That's exactly what we're going to do. That's exactly what we're going to do. Take off all the moisture, get it dry and good and nice. So, the idea is not to cook it, but dry it. Alright? So it is nice and dry. Okay, everything is good. Pretty happy with it. So let's place it in the oven, because it's a sealed kind of a location. So we'll put it here and talk about it tomorrow. So the next day, back to the sun. Back in the sun. Voila. So sun drying actually makes a big difference. Yeah, that's the reason, you see. So probably 2-3 days, we will check, but I will definitely keep it in the oven, because it's a sealed kind of a unit, in the night. So this is how it looks. Second day after drying. Pretty good, pretty. Choris is happening. I'll dry it for another maybe 3 days. Okay. So day number 2, we will store it in a nice jar. So that's where it goes. Voila. Beautiful Goan pork sausage, dried all day, and now we store it in a jar for the night, and next day we do the same process, day 2. So probably 2-3 days, and then we will, very important, a nice sealed jar. Voila, beautiful, eh? So day number 3, it is sun drying, and let's see how it is inside. Okay, day number 3. Wow, beautiful, eh? And I've kept this container also in the sun, so that there's no moisture. All right, so that's what happened. Day number 3, it's getting better and better. Yeah, color is changing, the smell is good, odor is nice. Okay, so we will store it in the beautiful container. Okay, and we will see what will happen. I think I will go for 5 days. All right, let's see. Good morning. Today let's cook the beautiful homemade sun-dried Goan sausages. For this I have beautiful 1/4 kilo, 250 grams of Goan sausages, homemade. Okay, I will remove the thread and then chop into small pieces, maybe 2 or 3 pieces of each one. Then I have 1 chopped onion. I have 5 green chilies finely chopped. I have garlic, say 5 finely chopped. 1 teaspoon of crushed pepper, right? Beautiful crushed pepper. Got lovely virgin olive oil, and I have beautiful water if I need. So let's start cooking and cook this simple sun-dried Goan pork sausages. So don't forget to watch the video on Goan jumbo pork sausages made instantly. So if you watch that YouTube video from there, then you can come here and then we will start the process. Just cut. Okay. And then we can pull the thread off. And we can take the thread off, right? That way. So we will cut them into 3 pieces, I would say, of each one, right? And you see how beautiful, hey? This is how beautiful chorizo is made in Goa. Okay? Don't make them too thin, then you will not get a good bite of it, right? Very, very, very tasty homemade Goan pork sausages, yeah? So it's all chopped and nice, and you can eat this raw also because it is well cured and it is beautiful, eh? So let's start the cook up. Let's prepare this beautiful homemade Goan sausages, and I can tell you it's going to be delicious. Olive oil first on a low medium flame, not too much, just enough, and then we will drop the chilies. This is to create the spice. Okay, the spice is very important, right? And once we get it a bit hot in there, okay, not too much, then we'll quickly drop these beautiful homemade Goan pork sausages. Very tasty, very delicious, very easy method. Everyone can prepare this at home. Try it, I'll tell you, at least once, and you will never ever forget this beautiful Goan homemade pork sausage or chorizo. So we close the lid for it to cook well in the inside for say around 2 to 3 minutes, not for long. Let's check a bit. And I would think we'll add a little bit of water, that's just half a cup. Okay, and again we'll close and see after another 3 minutes. Alright, mama, that's beautiful. Now let's put the chopped garlic. Yeah, and then give it a nice sprinkle of garlic. Time to drop the beautiful chopped onion. Yeah. The onion which is chopped in cubes, just one onion, that's all. Don't put too much of everything. You can add potatoes, but it's totally left up to you. Alright, let's close and leave it for 5 minutes. So in between we'll just have a look, and we will add the beautiful crushed pepper. 1 teaspoon only, not too much, alright. Then we will close it and wait, as I told you, a small wriggle, and let's leave it there. Give it a bit of a medium high flame. So at the end of the 5 minutes, voila, there you go. The Goan sun-dried homemade pork sausage is ready, guys. Try this with some beautiful bread or pav. Okay, beautiful, tasty, lovely, delicious and elegant. So I have to re-edit this video. Got too excited with the taste of this beautiful dish. So I cooked up 2 potatoes, boiled them separately, strained them, and I'm going to drop them here. In the meantime, I also chopped beautiful coriander leaves, and I'm going to put them in here and give it a good stir with medium flame. Mama, this is going to be excellent and very tasty. I thought I would get away with potato, but for the taste of this dish, I had to, unfortunately or fortunately, adapt potatoes in, and it's going to be delicious, eh? Tasty, beautiful, sun-dried, homemade Goan pork sausage is ready, guys. Cheers and enjoy. Beautiful chorizo. Voila. There you go. With potato and pav. Lovely, tasty, beautiful chorizo. Okay, try this, guys. It's beautiful, homemade, sun-dried, and it is very tasty. You will never ever forget this lovely dish. Okay, have this with beautiful, lovely pav bread baguette. The beautiful homemade sun-dried chorizo or Goan pork sausage with the beautiful pav bread goes very well. Tasty. Enjoy.